Let's make together these beautiful flowers. Using the purple yarn, let's make the petals. Take the hook and insert it inside of the first stitch. Make a slip knot and secure the yarn into this first stitch by making chain 1. Now begin a bubble stitch. Pull the yarn of this slip knot to 0.6 inches or about 1.5 centimeters, and this will be the height of the petal. Yarn over and insert the hook into the hole and pull another yarn to the same height. Yarn over again, insert the hook into the hole and pull the yarn. Repeat these steps 4 more times, so you have 13 loops on your hook in total. Now yarn over and pull through all 13 loops on your hook, finishing with 1 chain to secure the petal. Find the second hole of your sepal where we will do the second petal. Yarn over, pull through the yarn, and repeat it 5 more times to have total of 13 loops on your hook. Pull your yarn to the same height as your first petal, so it's about 0.6 inches or 1.5 centimeters long. Finish it by pulling your yarn and then 1 single crochet. And now repeat this till the end of this round, so you have 5 petals in total, and make a slip stitch into the first petal of this round. Now we are going to make a crown. Chain 3, 1, 2 and 3. Now let's make a half double crochet into the next stitch. This stitch will be between the first and the second petal. Chain 3 again, and now we are going to make a single crochet in the hole between the first chain 3 and half double crochet. And to complete the first set of crown, we are going to chain 1. Now we will be repeating the steps. Find the next hole between the second and third petal, half double crochet into it, chain 3, 1 single crochet into the previous hole between chain 1 and half double crochet, and 1 chain stitch to complete. Once you've reached the end, connect the round by slip stitching into the second chain of the first chain 3, then finish by chaining 3, then making 1 single crochet into the hole. Fasten off and cut the extra thread. Make sure to tie off and hide any extra threads, including the one from the first petal and the one in the sepal. I hope that you enjoy make these flowers with me, and if you are making and working on my crochet pattern Lily of the Valley, make sure to make total of 10 flowers to finish this pattern.